Okay, what is an AI agent in 90 seconds? So an AI agent is AI with tools and a brain. So we have the brain. The AI can decide what to do. The tools, things that it can actually use, the MCP servers and the APIs, and the goal, the job you want done. Okay. So a chatbot, answers questions, it waits for you, and it forgets every time. But an AI agent can complete the tasks using the tools available, act on its own, and it has memory and can get better over time. So how an agent works, well, one, we have a goal. We set the goal. We should plan for the goal. We have strict criteria of what counts as complete. It then thinks and plans. It acts and checks. And you can set up an autonomous loop in order for it to check its work and correct itself. Now, what an agent can use and read are your files, if you allow it, the web, your apps through MCPs, and even other agents where it can spin up a whole team of agents to do different jobs, quality control, things like that. So what do we use them for? Well, we can use them to handle replies. I use them to build workflows and automations and websites, to do research and conduct a research report, and even run some tasks and jobs and roles for clients and myself. Okay, next we're going to get into what is a webhook.